I feel like this would be the perfect time to try the Bad Gal Bang in brown for the very first time with this really pretty warm look so that my eyelashes look a little bit defined and voluptuous without taking over the look and putting too much blackness over it to cover up the warmth. So I'm really excited to try this mascara. I love the Bad Gal Bang. Excuse me, I have a fuzz on me. Hold on. I love the Bad Gal Bang in black, but I'm not typically a fan of brown mascaras. I did really want to try this one though, because I figured if anybody could make me like a brown mascara, maybe it would be Benefit. I don't like their roller lash mascara in brown or their roller lash eyeliner in brown. I don't like either of those. I think those products suck. It's just my opinion. Anyways. All right, this did kind of like soften up the blackness of that eyeliner because there's like a fan of light brown in front of it. And so as you can see, it made my eyeliner look less stark, which is kind of cool. I'm not sure though that this is doing, oh, did I just get that on my eye? I'm not sure. I don't think that this is doing much for my lashes as far as visually because of that black eyeliner. So maybe this mascara would look better with no eyeliner and like not as severe eyeshadow, but now I know. I definitely feel like brown mascara for me personally, I like for those like no makeup days when I really don't want my eyelashes to stand out as much as they would with a black mascara because I'm not wearing much makeup or any makeup at all. But like a brown mascara would really help make my lashes look more naturally like up and open my eyes without being like super black mascara with no other makeup on. You know what I mean? So that's why I picked up this mascara for like no makeup kind of looks. I just hadn't tried it yet. And I thought it might be fun to test it out with this warm palette. So let's see what it looks like on the lower lash lines. So far, I am not impressed with it on the top lashes as far as with this particular look. I want to give this mascara a fair shot with a lot less of an eye look on though to see if maybe it will stand a chance then. Or maybe this will just become my lower lash line mascara. You know, because again, because it's so like light, but it does accentuate each lash and it's not super dark, it won't add that like darkness to my lower lash line that I don't really like sometimes, which is why I avoid wearing lower lash line mascara. So yeah, I do like the way my eyelashes stand out a lot at the bottom and you can see them really well, but it doesn't provide that like blackness and shadow at the lower lash of my eyes to not like create more of that like grayness and bag look under the eyes. So this is going to be my new lower lash line mascara. Yeah, I really like that. But for the top lashes, I'm not digging this look. I need more blackness on my top lashes. So here's what the Bad Gal, okay, hold on. So here's what my lashes look like with the Bad Gal Bang with this eye look. I need to add some black though, because it's just not enough lash look for me with such a bold eye look. So let me just go back over it with black now. But at least now I know. And I'm happy that I did finally test out that mascara. I've been buying all the mascaras that I want to try. So I've really been enjoying that. I love mascara so much. Mascara is so important to me because I don't ever wear false lashes. Like I don't think you could pay me enough money to try false lashes. I'm not only so intimidated by them, but like just the thought of something like a feeling of something on my lash, on my eyes and stuff. Like, no, I can't do that. Okay, so I feel like yeah, see, I got a little bit of blackness from the top lash down onto my mole already. Anyway, and I love the eye look of the day. I'm losing my top. Anyway, so yeah, that's going to do it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed. Let me know what you think of the look down below. Let me give you a close-up of the eyes. hope that did anything for you. Anyways, I'm living for this look and I hope you like it too, but be sure to let me know your thoughts down below. If you enjoyed today's video, I would really love it if you would click the like button. It really does help my small channel out so much. And make sure you're subscribed to my channel before you go. Click the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future uploads. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.